OpenAI is striking what I'm told by a source is a $10 billion chip deal with Cerebras, the AI giant, just putting out a blog post on the deal. They're agreeing as part of this to buy up to 750 megawatts of computing power. That's going to be over the next 3 years. OpenAI not putting a dollar amount behind this or commenting on the price, but I am, again, told it's roughly $10 billion by a source. Cerebras, as some background here, designs specialized AI chips. This does add to OpenAI's current partnerships with NVIDIA. They're also working on a custom chip with Broadcom. They've got deals with AMD as well. It does help OpenAI eventually reduce some of its reliance on NVIDIA and add to the mix there. The move does highlight, though, this all-out race we've seen for compute and for infrastructure. ChatGPT has more than 900 million weekly users. Sam Altman, the CEO, has talked about access to fast, affordable computing and computing power is one of the biggest constraints on growth. So another big deal in the AI space, Mike.
So recently, a lot of people have been asking, why did OpenAI partnership with Cerebras, and more importantly, what even is Cypress? Let's break it down in a simple way. So first, why OpenAI did this partnership? So as we know, AI models are quite getting insanely large and powerful, but here's the problem. Bigger models means more delay, more cost, and more pressure on the GPUs. But traditional GPUs were never designed specifically for massive AI models at this scale. So OpenAI's goal is very clear. Make AI faster, reduce latency, and scale AI to millions of users without thinking breaking. So that's where Cypress came in. Now, what is Cypress? Cypress is a company that built wafer scale AI chips. Instead of small chips like GPUs, Cypress make one giant chip the size of an entire silicon wafer. The chip has millions of AI optimized cores, huge on chip memory, and extremely fast data movement. So instead of splitting a model across hundreds of GPUs, a single Cypress chip can handle massive AI workload directly. That's the magic. Now, why OpenAI choose Cypress? There are three big reasons. So the first factor is speed. Cerebras chips are insanely fast at inference, meaning the model responds quicker. This makes AI feel more real time and conversational. So the second factor is scalability. Open AI need infrastructure that can grow with demand. Cerebras data centers are built specifically for large-scale AI inference, not gaming or graphics. So the third factor is diversifying beyond GPUs. Right now, AI demands heavily on NVIDIA's GPUs. Partnershiping with Cypress reduces dependency on a single hardware ecosystem, which is very smart long-term investment. So now let's talk about the pros. So there will be ultra low latency, like the speed will be really fast, more efficient for larger models to train, better performance for real-time talk like coding and chat, custom hardware designed only for AI. But of course, there are cons too. Very expensive hardware, several system costs way more than traditional GPU setups. Less flexible than GPUs. GPUs can do many things. Cerebras is highly specialized, amazing for AI, but not general purposes. As compared to NVIDIA, it is a smaller ecosystem because NVIDIA has years of software tools and developers. Cerebras is powerful, but its ecosystem is still growing. So this partnership shows one big thing. The future of AI is custom hardware. OpenAI isn't just building better models anymore, it is also shaping the infrastructure of AI. In short, OpenAI partnered with Cypress to make AI faster, scalable, and future proof. And honestly, this is just the beginning.